Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share one new update. So basically YouTube announced three new features. So that feature will make live stream as more interactive uh, for creators and viewers. So using this new tool that will make easier for creative creators, they can uh, engage they can engage their audience during the live stream. So the feature is, first one is polls, second one is subscribers only chat, and expansion of clips feature. So first feature, like uh, YouTube channel, you can create polls, uh, live stream duration. So like if you uh, ask, if you want uh, opinion about current topic uh, from your audience, so during the live stream you can create polls. And second feature is subscribers only chat. So in this, using this option, uh, you can enable that option during the live stream. So only subscribers can chat with you. Okay. So basically that is very good features. When you are doing live stream, by that time only your connection can chat with you. So and uh, how to enable this feature? So uh, duration, during live stream, you only directly go to live control room setting, and from there you can enable that feature. So this is very good update. So using these features, creators can make their live stream interactive and engaging. And one is uh, the subscribers, or you can say connections, they are only able to chat, and other one is that other one cannot chat. So this is a very good feature for YouTubers. So guys, this is my today update. If you like this video, please share and comment. Thank you.